Hey beauties, oh my gosh y'all, I am super excited for this one. This is fall, y'all. This is fall. This is I feel like I'm ready for fall now. I love the highlights for fall. Gotta love it. Got to love it. I am adoring it. She is adorable. You can go ahead and accessorize her with clips like I did. You can rock without any clips, but this lace on this baddie, y'all. Anyways, before I get juicy and stuff, my name is Chanel, and today I'll be showing you guys up on this baddie. So if you want to slay fall with this one, it's definitely one that you need to go ahead and keep on watching so you can go ahead and know more specs and deets about. Alright y'all, so this one is by Wiggins, and I am in love. There's not one thing I don't like about this wig. I feel like the hair texture, it could be better. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's nevertheless is good. For the pricing on this one is definitely worth it, and the style as well. I love the texture. Everything is really super fit. Before I blabber on, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys the specs and deets on it, and then we're gonna go ahead and tell you guys how I feel about it, and also we're gonna show you guys how I style it to this more like wet and wavy type look. Like I stated before, this hair is by Wiggins Hair, and this one is their highlighted wig. So what I got in today is their highlighted wig, and it's also called ombre if I'm not mistaken. I do got in the color 017, so I love how the colors are placed, you guys. I feel like it could have been spread a little bit more. You definitely have to like brush her out before it can like spread throughout well. I definitely want to just pinpoint that the highlights are more so towards the front ends and not in between so much, you know what I mean? So you're getting more so highlights like right at the midpoint of the wig. So that's definitely something you want to consider if you want to do like a side part or something, because I definitely wanted to do like a side part, but I really wanted to go ahead and rock out the highlights out more, so I did a middle part to do so. So that's something that you want to go ahead and keep in mind. For the length that I do got it in, I do have it in 18 inches. She's definitely cute for fall. It's not too long, not too short, you know what I mean? If you are one that just like a little bit more length during the fall, or you just don't want to go for like the typical bob fall look, this definitely could do the trick, y'all. So I love the length. The length is super perfect, super adorable, not too long, not too short. I feel like with 20 it would have been possibly a little bit too long. So if you love a good shoulder length or over a little good shoulder length, this is definitely for you. I love how it, you know, sits. You know what I mean? For the colors, if you want a different color, they do offer different colors, and they do offer plain colors as well. If you're like, sis, I'm not really so much into the color, you definitely could do a normal color or like a different color. So you definitely want to go ahead and browse on over to the direct link so you can go ahead and pick out the color that fits for you. Now, as far as the texture, this is a deep wave, and I love it. I love how it looks like. This texture is super gorgeous. Now this is it dried. Again, like I'm messing around with it just a little bit just to show you guys how the hair looks like, but really, like this is how it looks like straight off from like me doing my little curly hair routine, which I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys in a little bit. Yeah, I love how it looks. It looks super gorgeous. I love the wave pattern. It's not like too curly, and it's not like wavy neither. It's definitely giving that deep wave, and I love how the highlights and this curl pattern like fits in. Speaking of lace, since we're like all close in personnel, on the lace color that I do got it in, I do believe it was like a medium light or medium brown. Don't quote me, I'll have that listed down below if anything. She definitely fit well. I did go ahead and bleach the knots. I felt like I over processed some in this corner, but that's something that you can quickly fix, or I could quickly fix. Or if that happens to you, you can quickly fix. But that's something that you can go ahead and quickly fix just by adding a little like brown eyeshadow or black eyeshadow, whichever or that fits it best. And it can go ahead and mute that out, or you can go ahead and do like the permanent route and just retouch it with some dye, I definitely would do like a permanent dye, so therefore you don't have to retouch it later on. So yeah, that's possibly what I'm gonna go do really soon when I reapply this wig. But for now, it really doesn't bother me as much. It's just because I'm so up and close in personnel with you right now, so it does look like, you know, you can see like some parts where I kind of over processed it. Also, keep in mind, you guys, I do got some clips in, so if you're one that's going to be rocking it more so straight down or at just a certain part and that's it, then you possibly wouldn't have to worry about like that if you just so happen to over process your knots. Other than that, y'all, I love it. I love the part is super deep, and the lace, you guys, I do believe this is a 13x6, so you're getting a deep amount of parting space, and you can do a deep part if you would like with this one. Oh, that looks so gorgeous. But again, like I say to you guys, with that, if you do a deep part, you definitely want to keep in mind that the highlights are going to be like more so in between and not going to really showcase like where your part is at, if that makes any sense. All right, y'all, I did enough talking, so I want to go ahead and show you guys how I style it out and what exactly I did to go ahead and make sure these curls are poppin' 10. All right, you guys, this is exactly how I styled it. I love how it turned out. Super easy routine, nothing too crazy, nothing too shabby. Again, you could either do Nexus conditioner or you could do Aussie conditioner. If you're doing a Nexus, which is more so of the luxury fill side, definitely would go ahead and click on over to the link down below, because I have all the Nexus listed down below for you guys. And also I would use less of the Nexus if you are using the Nexus versus the Aussie, because the Aussie is super heavy and thick. Definitely you want to use like a light hand with the Aussie. Yeah, y'all, I love it. I live for it. I feel like she's definitely a gem for the fall time. She gives me fall and I'm here for it. Go ahead and pick yours up right now. The link is on top of the description bar, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. And like always, till next time.